Welcome to JewelryMeTV. I'm so excited to show you something truly personal and meaningful today. What you're looking at is our custom picture stainless steel wing necklace, beautifully accented with sparkling zirconia stones. The wing design symbolizes protection, love, and remembrance, and what makes it even more special is that you can customize it with a photo of your choice. Whether it's a loved one, a cherished memory, or something that inspires you every day, this necklace lets you carry it close to your heart, always. It's crafted from high-quality stainless steel, so it will never fade or tarnish, and those zirconia stones give it just the right amount of sparkle. It's a gift you give yourself, or someone you care about, that means more than words can say. To order, just scan the QR code on your screen to pay quickly and securely through Cash App. After payment, be sure to include your full name, shipping address, and email so we can contact you to collect your custom photo for the necklace. Thank you for being here with me on JewelryMeTV. I'm your name, and I can't wait to help you create something beautiful and uniquely yours.